Welcome to English with Ammy.
Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are going to talk about something you do well every day, talking about your day in English. And believe it or not, the secret to sounding totally natural is just one simple tool, the present tense. So let's jump right in. So just stop and think for a second. How do you talk about your day? You know all the things you do every single morning, every afternoon, every night? Well, that's exactly what we are going to learn perfectly today. And the key to all of this is one specific thing called the simple present tense. Honestly, it's the foundation, the building block for talking about all of our habits and routines. And look, the definition is super simple. We use the simple present for things that happen all the time. Habits, things you do every day, your routines. If it's something that happens again and again, you use this tense. It really is that easy. Okay, check this out. A perfect simple example. I eat food every day. That verb eat tells you everything. It shows this is a regular daily thing. It's not something I did just one time. It happens every single day. This is the main idea we are learning here. Alright, enough with the theory. Let's see this in action. We are going to walk through a few moments of a totally normal day just to see how the simple present tense really works. So the day kicks off. I wake up at 7 a.m. See that verb wake up? It's just the basic simple form. And because we are talking about I, that's all we need, the base verb. Easy start to a simple routine, right? Okay, now pay close attention to this next one. She drinks milk. Did you see that? Did you spot the difference? The verb drink suddenly has an S on the end. Why is that? Hold that thought. We are going to explain that rule in just a minute. So just remember that little S. And look, here's that pattern again. He plays cricket. Just like with she, when we talk about he, we add that little S to the verb. So play turns into plays. There is definitely a rule happening here. But hang on a second. Check this out. They go to school. The S is gone. What happened? When we are talking about a group of people, we go back to the basic form of the verb, just go. This is a really important difference. And this one shows the exact same thing. We watch TV. Just like when we say I or they, if you use we, the verb stays in its simple base form, no S needed. So the big takeaway here is that something changes depending on who we are talking about. Now here's a slightly different example, but it's very important. The sun rises in the morning. This isn't just a habit, it's a fact of life. It happens every single morning. So the simple present is also perfect for general truths. And look, there's that S again on rises. Okay, so we've seen it in action. We've seen that little S appear and disappear. It's time to finally learn the most important rule for the simple present tense. Here it is. Just look at the two groups. For I, you, we and they, you use the base verb. Example, I play, they go. Very simple. For he, she or it, you add S to the verb. Example, he plays, she goes. That's the whole rule. Alright, you've seen the rule. Now it's your turn to try. Let's practice. First question. She dash a book. Should it be read or reads? Think about the rule. The answer is reads because we are talking about she, so we add S to the verb. Okay, let's do another one. We dash in the park. Is it play or plays? The correct answer is play. Remember, we uses the base form of the verb. No S needed. Alright, last one. This is a bit tricky, so think carefully. A cat dash on the chair. Sleep or sleeps? The correct answer is sleeps. Why? Because a cat is the same as saying it. And for he, she or it, we add S. So a cat sleeps. See, you're getting the hang of this. So we've learned the rules, we've seen examples, and now I have one last question for you. Think about your own day, your own routine. Using the simple present tense, what is one thing that you do every single day? Give it a try. That's the real test and the best way to learn.